All right, so this is Lab 9, the Magic Wand tool. The tool we're going to use is one of the last selection tools. I think it is the last selection tool, Magic Wand tool. But basically what we're going to do is select out this sky here and paste the clouds behind it or on top of it. So normally you could come in here with like the any tool, like any time of selection tool, the lasso tools, whatever. But if something is the same color or very close to the same color, you can use what's called the Magic Wand tool, which is probably something y'all have seen before in other tools. It's under the selection tool, so click and hold the quick selection tool, and then do Magic Wand, and then you just click. Now you'll notice it just selects a little piece of it. If you change this tolerance to something higher, it'll select more. So you can set this tolerance to something that's bigger, and it will select more. It'll be a lot more tolerant. Imagine that. Another thing you can do is just hold down Shift or go up here and select the Add to selection, and you can just click the different pieces of blue that you want added to the selection. So there you go. So once you have this selected, you could do a couple things. You could have deleted this and made it a different layer, but we're just going to do that same thing that we did in what did we do? When we did the sky in the other picture with the building and like the ominous sky, we're just going to do that. We're going to do select all, edit, copy on the sky we want copied. And then here we're just going to do edit, paste special, paste into. There you go. Pretty simple. The same kind of technique we did the Magic Wand tool. So the key here is hold down Shift to select more pieces as you go. If you miss select, just click off here to the side here, or hit Control D will deselect everything. That's it. Pretty short.